Oh hey, welcome to Heart Circle Homestead. Today we're going to be looking at this Granberg portable sawmill. Couldn't find it on Amazon or in Granberg, they're both sold out, but I got it from Bailey's. So we'll take this thing apart and see how easy it is to assemble. Hopefully it's not too windy, and see how it cuts. I think I'm gonna go try sharpening the chainsaw, see if I'm any good at that. Thought it was sharp, definitely doesn't look sharp. And then come back here, see what happens. Have enough bar and channel well. Okay, Now, for the final reveal, how did we do here? Drop that one in the mud. Looks pretty good. I mean, look at that. Okay, so what do I think about this thing first thing out of the box? It's great. I used to have the Timber Tough. It worked in a pinch. But if you can swing it, I would definitely get the Granberg if I were you. It's so much easier to use, significantly safer, and a way bigger fan. I mean, I have no experience milling wood, and I was able to cut this down. Expect to see more of this on Hard Struggle Homestead because it's going to be game changing for the amount of stuff we can do. I mean, if I were to cut the top of this, I would have a what, 12 by 4, 12 by 6, and yeah, it's going to be big for us being able to build stuff. So, thanks for watching Hard Struggle Homestead. Until next time.